Hi friends, welcome to WebChamp. In this video, I am going to discuss map in Power BI. Okay, so a map is a chart, and we can say that it is a graphical representation of data. When you have a data values according to the regions or countries, states, in that case, what you can do, you can create the map to compare which state, which region, which country has the highest amount of sales or anything, any kind of amount will be there. Okay. So map uses color coding or shading to represent the magnitude and distribution of variables to help the viewers to understand these what is the pattern, what is the trend in geographical way. Okay. So basically maps are used for the geographical distribution, okay, special patterns, then comparative analysis. If you can compare the country wise or the region wise or the state wise analysis or comparison, we can say that impact assessment and then epidemiology or public health. Okay, so there are many use, but it depends what kind of data you have. So whenever you have to show the data for the geographical category, meaning if you have a data which is in the form of state, which is in the form of country, which is in the form of region, so in that case what you can do, you can go and create that kind of chart. Okay, so if I come here, so this is what my data. Okay, I will bring another data here for the category, because this data set has lots of categories with respect to region, with respect to country, and with respect to state also. That's why I picked another data set. So what are the data sets? I already bring it to this cube that doesn't have that much geographical data. Okay. Fine. Now I have a data which is loaded into my Power BI model. And let's go and select the map from here. Okay. If you select the map, it is fine. Okay. And what you need to do is you need to drag the first amount column. Okay. Or value column. It's not like that you can drag anything. Okay. You can drag the states or the countries first also. See, if I bring sales here, okay, it will create the map like this. Okay. But we have not declared, the geographical data. What against what? Meaning against state, against country, against region. What you want to use to create the or to show the values. Okay, so I would like to use, there are many. Okay, so country is there. I will use the country. Okay, I will bring the country and leave it. It will be automatically picked. Okay, so I have lots of countries, but out of those countries, okay, you can see that the value represented by the bubble size. Okay, the size of bubble is highest, meaning you can consider that the sales amount for that country is highest. And here in the United States, my sum of sales amount is very high as compared to others. So simply I can conclude this, right? I can compare the data in this way. And I think we have something called region also. Okay, so if I wanted to create that with respect to the region, I can bring the region also. Okay, but the region don't have specific, even the regions are confusing. Okay, let's wait whether it is able to create the chart for me or based on the region or not. Okay, let's find. So let's leave that. Okay, let's create the chart for state also. There is something called state also. So if I bring the states to my locations, it is going to work. But I have lots of states from many countries. Okay, so what I will do, I will filter this. Okay, based on the country. And okay, if I go to the, if I open the filter on this visual, okay, I will bring the country and I will select only United States. United States. Now you will be able to see that which state has maximum sales amount, which state has maximum sales amount, right? And this is how you can create. Okay, and if I go to this, which is the California state has the maximum sales amount, followed by this another New York state, okay, which is has second highest sales amounts. Like this, we can compare the categories using the map. Okay, there is something called field map also. Okay, if you go aside of right side of the your map visual, there is something called a field map. If you click on this, okay, it will create the field map. What it will do, it will, instead of showing the bubbles, what it will do, it will shows the geographical area. Okay, so here what I need to bring the, or I need to add something to the legend also to get the different colors. Otherwise, this shows only the shaded area by one color. Okay, if you add something to the locations are there. Okay, if I add the states to the legend also, let's see, right? So this is how it shows. Okay, the and based on the color, okay, not exactly, okay, but if the color is dark, you can consider that that state has highest sales, like this. Okay, and it will shows the, okay, so these are the different colors. Okay, so the state which has highest sales, it will be in dark color. Accordingly, it works. Okay, there is no color coding to represent first and second, but yes, this is what, if you want to show the data where we are present, where we are doing. Okay, so in this case, okay, it is difficult to highlight the numbers based on the field map, but yes, at least you can say that where we are presenting, where we are selling our products. Okay, like this. Then there is something called Azure Map and ArcGIS Map, but you need to sign in for those. And I don't have sign in, but yes, the similar way it helps you to create the maps also. I hope you like the content of this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day.